National Enquirer lawyer Elkan Abramowitz denies allegations by Jeff Bezos that the National Enquirer tabloid had tried to extort and blackmail him, insisting that embarrassing photographs were obtained from a reliable source. Last month, the tabloid reported that Bezos had an extramarital affair with a former news anchor, publishing a trove of private text messages. The report appeared days before Bezos and his wife Mackenzie announced the divorce. The attorney was responding to Bezos' claims that he may have been targeted by pro-Trump forces in part because of coverage by the Washington Post, which he owns. But Abramowitz insists that the Enquirer's exchanges with Bezos, which the billionaire released in his online post, were simply journalistic negotiating practices rather than extortion.